Hello everyone, this is Ashrik from Learn Digital Academy. So in this class, we'll discuss on product advertised design. So let's start with a product advertised design. So currently, I'm going with some fruit ad, orange fruit. So initially I have a page size, A4 size, or you can use any custom size. So already I have created one thing and make sure that you are in RGB color mode. So now I created one empty layer. So with the help of paint bucket tool, I'm filling one color. So then just double click on the layer, you will get blend options. So that means layer style. So in layer style, I'm using gradient overlay. So I'm working with orange shade. So because I'm working with orange fruit juice, so you can use orange shades, yellow shades for your background. So now you can see I'm using a linear gradient. So with a light yellow and orange shade. So if you want, you can change it to radial also. So currently from linear, I changed it to a radial gradient. The middle one is a light and the outer body is a dark orange color. So if you again want to change, just double click on that layer. You can easily edit that gradient overlay or the colors. So then again, I'm creating one empty layer with the help of brush. I'm creating some shades. So like highlight parts, a white color highlight I'm giving, and I'm rescaling it. So using transform tool, and also you can play with a layer opacity. So here you can see the layer opacity. So then already I have few images which I want to use. So with the help of Google, you can download and place each and individual properties or each and individual images which are required for your designing part. So fine, here you can see now with the help of hue saturation layer. So I'm changing the color tone of image which I have placed over here because I need the things in orange color. So that's why I changed it. So now again, I took a copy of a same event saturation. So you can see I have two layers. So then I'm changing a few styles over there. So because I'm changing it to completely black color with the help of color overlay. So why means I want to apply a shadow for the glass. So with the help of free transform, so you can flip that, you can scale that, or you can even rotate in horizontal and vertical direction. So currently you can see with the help of transform, I am changing the direction. So then for the same layer, I'm playing with the opacity and I'm adding one layer mask and how much you need, please. So unwanted things, just erase it. So now it's look like a shadow over there. So then again, I'm creating one new layer. So wherever you need, you can place a small black dot. So because I need a connecting shadow, so that means it should feel like it's on the ground or it's on the surface of a table or any other thing. That's why I used one new layer and just I placed one black color over there. So now it's look like some connecting it shadows over there. So you can easily feel the changes now over there. So just play with a transformation, how much shadow required. So rescale it and place it properly. And depends on how much shadow brightness or intensity you need. Play with a layer opacity also. So then again, I need more darker one. So that's why I duplicated the same layer and I'm changing some scaling. So resizing. So I'm expanding it and I'm just decreasing the opacity of second layer. So that means a shadow copied one. So you can play with intensity, or we call it as opacity or transparency of a layer. So each and individual things you need to do experiment. So now you can see reflection with the shadow over there. So just do small settings. Small changes will give you better output. So how much distance you need, just transform it. So with the help of mask, already it is in a mask. I'm erasing few parts which is really not required. So then again, whatever things you need, go for Google. So I need a splash effect. So that's why I'm downloading a splash PNG. So white color background is there. Easily you can remove with the help of color range, because my background is only single color. So with the help of color range, you can edit that and you can remove that also. So now you can see I have selected only few parts over there. So except that I don't want to select anything. So just I selected only the orange splash over here. So then a white color, delete. So now just drag and drop this splash to your working file. So just transform it and place properly wherever you need. So always you need to concentrate on placing transformations and in which part you are placing and in which layer position you are placing. Now again, with the help of some color correction tools, I'm doing some changes. So because the top glass area I need in orange color, because as it is an orange sheet, so now it is in a glass area. So I will do that. The straw area I removed with the help of lasso tool or any selection tool you can use to remove the unwanted things. And also you can use eraser. So now you can see a splash above the glass. So then again, I'm using some adjustment layer, that is hue and saturation layer. So just to match the color with glass. So that means orange juice or orange fruit juice. So then I'm adding one layer mask. I don't want this sharp edges over there. So that's why with the help of mask, I'm erasing top area of a glass. So just zoom it, you can see a very hard edges over there. So if you don't want, just select it, and then whichever area you don't want, with the help of mask, erase it. So play with the brush size. So play with brush hardness level also. So now you can see I am removing hard edges over there. So you can remove the hard edges, or in a mask you can fill a same color tone over there in a new layer. So now you can see the selected layer I'm using orange shade. So then the sharp edges I'm erasing. So you can do in the multiple ways. So if you want, you can erase. Otherwise, add one new layer and brush the color which suits for the product. So just follow the process. A lot more things you need to do whenever you are doing one product advertisement. Each and individual things you need to search I suggest you better before starting the work, download all the required resources and then make a folder and place everything in a folder. So then whenever you guys are doing designs or any posters and all, it will be very much easier to work. So now again I'm taking a splash like water droplet kind of thing. So select the area. So just drag and drop as we did for a previous effect or a previous image. So drag and drop. So and place it properly. So here just I'm rescaling. So in the layer panel, you can see now already lot more layers we have. So just I'm applying a little amount of blur. So because as it is a splash or as it is a droplet kind of thing, it should be a blur. So because as it is away from the glass, so a small amount of blur I'm applying. So then later you can place wherever you need, and also you can play with a layer opacity. So take a duplicate, so duplicate of the layer, a transform, and again do some changes and place in opposite direction also. So it's look more natural and it's look more professional also. So if a few droplets, if you don't want, with the help of mask, you can erase it, or otherwise directly you can erase also. So just again search for few other images which makes your product advertisement more beauty and more attractive. You can use a lot more things. So that's why I mentioned always download all the required images which you want to use, and then you can start working. Yes, so because as it is an orange product advertisement, orange juice, so I got a beautiful orange over here. So please properly. So if you have single layer in individual orange, you can play with multiple times. So like a small, big, blur, without blur and all. So here you can see the small one, I defocused it with applying Gaussian blur. And the main object is highlighting because as it is in a proper focused point. So a lot more things you need to concentrate. You should not leave the things empty. So now to change that, I'm using again event saturation adjustment layer. So just you can do small color changes for your object. So then again select the layer. So go for transformation. If you want to make it more bigger, you can make it. If you want to make it more smaller, you can make it. So with the help of transformation. So because we have all the options to transform, duplicate, color changes and all. So then again, I took a duplicate of water droplets. So maybe to give some reflection. So very small amount of opacity I'm using. So a lot more things you need to concentrate because already we given shadow for glass, reflection for glass. As it is a floor, you need to show some splatters or water droplet kind of things in a background also. So then it looks more natural. So just try to place it properly, which looks more impact and which looks more beautiful. Of course, I know it will take a lot more time. So once the overall product advertise is done, better if you're doing it in the first time or if it is your first attempt, try to keep some reference product advertisers. So then you will get in which part where you need to do more attractions and where you need to do more concentration and how to place a text and how to play with the colors. So each and individual things you need to concentrate. So because as it is a product advertise, so as it is a main part of a promotion, marketing purpose of your product. So you will get lot more resources. So just always you need to search for a proper one. So yes, this looks good. So save image. So as usual, remove the white part. So just take the necessary part and drag and drop. So where you need in the top end if you want you can place, or in the bottom end if you want to place you can place. Yeah. So now the unwanted area I'm erasing. So just I'm placing that exactly to the bottom of orange slice over there. So you can do a lot more trial and errors. So wherever you need, you can place. So you can do a lot more experiments. So as it is completely practical and as it is completely a creative thing, you can play with these things. So you can play with colors, you can play with adjustment layers, you can play with opacity, you can play with shadows, reflections, and all. So now it looks pretty decent for me. So final touch up will give. So I'm doing some small changes. The main portion is completely I have finished. So almost it's done with the main portion. So once it is done, of course, as it is advertisement, you need to add some text in your product banner or product post. So type some fruit juice related quote over there. So whatever things you need, you can type like healthy, natural, or any other related for orange juice you can add. So at the bottom you can see just I place some random default text over there. So if you have a particular or if you have a proper matter, so you can type and you can place a normal matter over here. And make sure the font or the text which you are using it should be more readable, because as you are giving information, so make sure that it should be more readable. And also the colors. So play with the proper color combinations. So if you're using orange background, then again if you're placing in the same color text, you can't able to see also, and it won't look good also. So always prefer proper colors. I hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.